The continuous laser cleaning machine has many advantages. This cleaning machine features a water cooling system with an independent water chiller inside the cabinet. The chiller requires the use of purified water or coolant, with the fill level maintained within the green marked area for optimal performance. The next step is to connect auxiliary gas, set flow rate to 15 to 20 liters per minute. Remember to replace the air knife nozzle. This nozzle is specifically designed to remove gas residue and effectively protect the lens from dust and other impurities. Such a design ensures a clean working environment and significantly extends the lifespan of the lens, contributing to overall efficiency and durability. The correct sequence to turn on this machine is important. Firstly, turn on the main power switch, then turn the key switch. Select your preferred language on the display screen. Our equipment supports multiple languages, including English and Spanish. We can also customize the language to suit your specific needs. The device uses continuous laser technology to clean metal materials, carbon steel, stainless steel. It's simple and easy to use. There are demonstrating how our cleaning machine removes graffiti. It efficiently cleans graffiti off walls, restoring surfaces to their original condition. You can adjust the cleaning parameters, such as speed and width, to customize the cleaning process for optimal results. We compare 300mm and 1500mm cleaning widths. The wider the cleaning width, the faster the cleaning speed.